Friends, today is Sunday, 29th of August 2021. I am Mohanish Tilve, welcoming you all to RFC, that is Rainforest Challenge of India. To the inside setup of the RFC vehicle here. I don't know, so many gears, so many switches, my god. And here I will show you that the participants, they come all prepared, like their garage, all the tires, spares and everything. And their full team is coming along with them. And they also cook their meal here, and they are all set. And here we meet McWin from Goa, RFC expert.
Viva Goa!
Now I am with Off-Road Trail Club Goa, and they are participating in this RFC. Hey!
Not ready yet. Fine.
उजो बैठा मरो बस पार्किंग है था मरे बस पार्क है था no it is firing
नीचे है नीचे है पानी पड़ी है अंदर से प्लास्टिक है ना इसको जल्दी नहीं होता बस पहले देखो और किधर पहले देखो मारो मत I'll show you this height. It is much higher than me. It is almost 10 feet up there. You can see how much down here. See?
आराम से आराम से आराम से। The vehicle has been toppled up. Very bad situation here. But the driver is safe. You can see him coming out just in a few moments. Yes, he is safe. Good news is that the driver is safe. The co-driver was out fixing the winch. Fine, fine, fine. Stop. अभी जो जीप जो टर्टल हो गई उसके ड्राइवर हमसे बात कर रहे हैं। सर आपका नाम?
विजेंद्र सिंह।
आप कहाँ से हैं?
दिल्ली
सर
नॉर्दर्न इंडिया ऑफ रोड कलर से।
हाँ, थोड़ा सा बैड लक था, थोड़ा सा पत्थर के ऊपर से स्लिप हो गया।
आप एक छोटी गलती करोगे ना
हाँ।
तो आपको सज़ा मिलेगी। गया ऊपर, वहाँ जाके जब गाड़ी टिल्ट होने की शेप में थी तो विंच आउट किया, सेम वहीं से।
माय गॉड,
ये गलती थी।
ओके ओके।
समझ आ रहा था उस टाइम, बट वो 1 सेकंड होता है ना, उसमें
हाँ,
कर चुके होते तो उसमें फिर कोई आपके पास गुंजाइश नहीं होती
हाँ
उसको
हाँ
दोबारा ठीक करने की। तो गलती की तो नीचे था,
हाँ।
वो करना पड़ा।
बेस्ट ऑफ लक फॉर द नेक्स्ट इवेंट सर।
इमरान रोल मत पाला, रोल कर।
Go, 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 go! Come on! Go, go!
Now and just now we saw Cedric driving over that lap. Cedric, how did you feel that drive?
No, he's an amazing driver, man.
Nice.
He just winched up
Yes.
amazingly
Yes.
in seconds.
Yeah, it was very beautiful
And he's
lap.
very good in making decisions. He
Yeah.
found that angle was not right. He just said that go there.
Fine.
Yeah, it was good.
Yeah.
गुड कोऑर्डिनेशन।
Good timings, yeah. Best of luck. Friends, in this part 2 video, we saw our Goan off-rider sensation, Mr. Cedric, clearing all difficult terrains with his expertise. This video also has shown us the risks of this adventure sport. Likewise, friends, get ready for part 3 of RFC, which is coming very very soon. Give like to this video and please subscribe my YouTube channel Anand Ghan Goa if yet to be done. Bye till next video.